Hello friends, welcome to Backdrop Brilliance, wedding curtain decoration ideas. Here we embark on a journey through the enchanting world of wedding backdrops, where creativity meets elegance. Our channel is dedicated to providing brides, grooms, and wedding enthusiasts with a treasure trove of inspiration and eye tutorials for transforming any venue in a dreamlike settings. From cascading draperies to whimsical fairy lights, we explore a plethora of curtain decoration ideas that promises to add a touch of magic to your special day. Our expert guides and step-by-step tutorials will help you bring your vision to life, ensuring every moment of your celebration is framed by sheer beauty. Whether you are down to romantic lace, opulent satin, or rustic burlap, we have got you covered. We delve into various fabric choices, color palettes, and styles to suit your every taste and theme. Discover innovative techniques, clever hacks, and insider tips to create backdrops that reflects your unique love story. Join our community of fellow wedding enthusiasts and let's embark on this creative journey together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a new idea or tutorial. Let's embark your wedding day a tapestry of memories woven with the finest threads of creativity and love. Welcome